What's up, everybody? I'm Dave. This is my son, Barry Allen, and today we're going to show you how to install a light bar in the back of the Jeep so when you open up the tailgate, you can see.
So what you're going to want to do first is dry fit it and figure out where you want to put it. We're going to put it right here at this plastic thing at the base of the window with the cord going over there. So now that we have it dry fitted, what you're going to want to do is prep the surface with some alcohol. Can't get that off. Uh-oh.
It's fine, it'll go back on.
So now what you want to do now that it's cleaned and prepped is remove the backing of the tape. And so there's enough room for the cord. Make sure that it's on this side all the way over as far as you can get it. Then you're going to want to firmly press down to make sure it's adhered. Now that the light bar is installed, you're going to want to put these little clips on and have this part that the wire plugs into facing out. They don't have to be perfectly straight. They just have to be facing the right way. Like that. That easy. You're going to get it in here. And for the clip down, push it as hard as you can. Again, this snaps closed, and I can't get that one. There. Now that we have it on the windows, we're going to need it on the inside so power can be running to it. So this one is the only one going to be different. It'll be facing downwards like this. Right about here. And then here. And this one? Don't think I did. Right here. Oh. Right here. And right here. I can make that a little straighter. Right there, like that. And now plug the wire into it and snap it in. Snap it in. Snap it in. And stay in there. Snap it in.
So it's my turn to take over. We're going to be doing the electrical now. There's a couple ways you can do it. It comes with a 12-volt adapter, so you can stick it right into the auxiliary outlet in the car, but it doesn't look good. And who wants to be plugging that in and dealing with it? So we're going to hardwire it right in. Now, you can unzip this and tap right into one of the dome lights, or I like all the wires hidden, so I went ahead and I took off the plastic base, which a couple bolts pops right out. And what we're going to do is, down here, there's a couple lines. There's 2 power lines running to the dome light, and there's a ground. So we are going to take the red end and run it into one of the powers. We're going to take the black end and run it into the ground. We got to run these wires into these wires here, and we can do it with a simple clip. So all you do is get the wire you want to tap into and slide it right through the side here. Alright, so once you have that clipped on to one of the yellow wires, you take your power wire, slide it in, then if you fold the top over, and then same thing for the black wire. Alright, so once you get those in, you can either directly connect the 2 of them, like this. So the one we got comes with a remote control, so we have to connect this wire in between the one we just hooked up to the dome lights and the one that connects to the light. And these are a simple plug and play. So, here's the important thing to remember. We're going to be hiding all our wires down here underneath the plastic, but it's summertime, you want to take the top off, you want to have fun, you want to leave this sticking out so you can quickly disconnect it, pull the top off, and go. Alright, so once you get that all done, just slide this stuff back in place, keeping the wires tucked right where you want them. Back here, there's just a little 10mm nut you tighten down by hand. You don't even need a ratchet for it. You just want to get it so it's not going to shift around on you. Then take the back side piece, pop it back around here. And let me rearrange this. Last piece of the puzzle is the seatbelt clip. Comes down and holds it all together. Now when you take it apart, it's as simple as just put a flathead screwdriver in there and pull up, and it'll pop right out. But now all those wires are neatly tucked away back here, and when I want to take the top off, all I gotta do is disconnect this one cord right here and we are good to go. Alright, so I got these wires tucked right here, so when I want to take the top off, I pull them apart, tuck one under, the rest goes with the top, and it's that easy. It's starting to get dark here, so once it's completely dark, we'll show you how they work. I have a feeling it's going to be pretty cool. We'll see you in like 2 seconds. And just like that, everyone, we're done.
I don't think something's right. I think something's wrong.
What? What's wrong? Everything looks fine to me.
I can't see anything.
Oh, what if we... Oh my God, look at that. All right, so let's take a quick look at how all this came out. Remote controlled And it's all done. Not a very hard install at all. The trickiest part's the wiring. And if you just put a little bit of thought into it before you do anything, it's not that difficult at all. So the wire I ended up cutting inside for the power was the yellow and green. So we know for sure that one works. And the black is the ground. Thanks for watching, everyone. We're going to wrap this up quick because it is cold out here tonight. And we just want to get back inside and warm up. So
thank you for watching, everybody. Please leave a like and comment below and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.